The Australian native accused of killing her husband returned to Supreme Court today hoping she'd be released on bail. But as Fern Carey reports, she did not get the results she was hoping for.
Explaining why he was not going to grant accused murderer Donna Vasyli bail, Senior Justice Stephen Isaacs noted that the circumstances in the case suggest that the Australian native is the only likely suspect. The mother of two is accused of killing her husband, noted podiatrist Philip Vasyli, at their Old Fort Bay home back on March 24th. He was found with stab wounds to the body. Justice Isaacs noted in his written ruling that Vasyli admitted having a fight with her husband on the night he was killed, and even though she maintains her innocence, nothing has been put before the court that detaches her from the crime or creates some justification for anything she may have done. He also noted that Vasyli had apparent injuries to her hands, which she claims are the result of laser treatment and not injuries at all. Meantime, he said a knife was found at the home with suspected bloodstains on the blade, and there did not appear to be any unauthorized entry to the home. Now, Vasyli's attorney, Donna Vasyli, indicated earlier that she was prepared to submit to strict bail conditions, including 24-hour house arrest, surrender of her travel documents, and the cancellation of her passport by the Australian authorities until the proceedings are completed. However, Senior Justice Isaacs noted that the court has no direct communication with the Australian authorities, and even stringent conditions imposed by the court would not prevent a determined person from absconding. Regarding Vasyli's suggestion that the evidence against Vasyli is weak, the court noted that the voluntary bill of indictment has not yet been served. He also noted that Vasyli's medical issues are not sufficient to release her on bail. Senior Justice Isaacs then refused to grant Vasyli bail on the grounds that she is charged with a serious offense which carries a severe penalty, which he said are incentives for her to abscond and not show up for trial. He also noted that she will be tried within a reasonable time and the prosecution has sufficient grounds for the charge against her. As the judgment was read, Vasyli and her relatives who were sitting in court appeared to be devastated. This means that Vasyli will remain behind bars. She returns to court on May 20th for service of voluntary bill of indictment papers. Fern Carey, 7S Network News.